how to fix Telegram not sending code to your phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to try to log in, and if that doesn't work, what you can do is just uninstall the app and reinstall it onto your device. You may just uninstall the app and get back to Play Store and search for Telegram. After searching for Telegram, just tap on install. And the next thing I want you to do is look up for update as well. If your app needs any kind of update, make sure you update it, because for sometimes that may also fix your bug that is happening on your device. So the next thing is, what I want you to do is get to the app info of the app, and here the cache. Here you should be able to see this interface. So here I want you to go to storage and tap on clear cache. Just tap on this option and that should probably fix your issue of your Telegram not sending to your code. Just try to log in again and I'm sure that method will work and Telegram will send you a code while you try to log in your Telegram. So therefore in this method you can fix your Telegram not sending code. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.